Hey you good looking people, we're here at Glenbrook Lagoon today and we're going to do the loop walk. It's a fairly short one, I think it's a bit under 2 kilometers, so we'll go check it out and see if it's worth your time to come have a look. Anyways, lace up those boots, pack those bags and fill those water bottles and let's get going. So, that was the Glenbrook Lagoon Walk. As you can see, it's a track that sort of meanders through suburbia and follows the lagoon around its circumference. Definitely worth a check out if you have a short bit of time. It doesn't take that much time to walk the whole thing. Some pretty views. The lagoon looks beautiful, so it's definitely worth checking out, especially on a sunny day. Gorgeous. Anyways, I'll see you on the next one, and as always, take care of yourself, take care of nature, and it'll take care of you. See you on the next one, you good looking people. Bye!